Hi, this is Quentin Wiggins with EQQuickBooks.com. Here we're at the easy step interview process for setting up your QuickBooks company file. The first screen you come to requests that you put your company name in. In this example, we're going to put Daisy Day Care Center as our company name. When we press tab, it automatically populates the legal name. We press tab again and we go to the tax ID. Here we enter in the federal tax ID number for Daisy Day Care. The federal tax ID number is 9412345567. This is your federal employer identification number or your social security number if you're a sole proprietor. This is the number that is used on all your federal tax forms. Next, we press tab and we go to the street address. We enter the street address in as 123 Main Street. City, anywhere. Go to the state tab and we select Alabama. Zip code 12345. Press tab again. The country is the United States of America. Press tab again. In this field, we enter the phone number 713-555-1212. Press tab again, and we go to the fax field. We enter in the fax number 713-555-1234. Press tab again, and we type in our email address. Our email address is critical because this allows us to email our customers invoices and other forms that they may need. We type in our email address as daycare@yahoo.com. Press tab and we enter in our website address, www.daycare.com. Then we hit the next button. The next process of the Easy Step interview is to select your industry. QuickBooks asks what type of industry you're in. The reason why it asks this question is it automatically designs the type of chart of accounts that you will need. And the chart of accounts are the buckets where accounting information is stored. As you can see, you can scroll down the screen to come up with the type of industry that you want. Daycare is not explicitly stated here, so we will go down to the general service-based business. Select that and click next. Then we come to the screen where it asks, how is your company organized? The sole purpose of this is that QuickBooks will assist you at year end in preparing your tax return. Based on the selection here, whether you are a sole proprietor, partnership, LLC, corporation, S-corp, nonprofit, or other, QuickBooks will put the information, all your accounting information, in the applicable income tax form. We're going to select C Corporation for now. Click next. Then the question asked is select the first month of your fiscal year. Your fiscal year is typically the same as your income tax year. We're going to select January and click next. Then the system asks for your administrative password. Basically, this is any type of administrative password you will use to prevent folks from accessing your data. We're going to skip this and just click next. Then you come up with create your company file. Click next, and we're going to save Daisy Daycare. We're waiting. while the company file is being saved. Now we come up to the next screen, which says customizing QuickBooks for your business. Next, we'll customize QuickBooks by turning on features that best meet your business needs. To do this, we'll ask questions about your industry and what you sell, how and when you pay your customers, and how you pay your bills. Click Next. The question is asked, what do you sell? We sell services only since we are a daycare center. Select Next. Do you charge sales taxes? In this particular state, we're going to assume that daycare services are not taxable, so we're going to select Next. We're going to select No. Click Next. Do you want to create estimates for your business? We're going to say No. Select Next. Billing statements. Do you want to use billing statements in QuickBooks? Yes. Do you want to use invoices? We're going to select Yes. And then select Next. Do you want progress invoicing? And this is recommended for your business? We're going to select Next. Do you want to keep track of bills you owe? Yes. Do you want to track time? No, we do not want to track time. Do you have employees? Yes, we employ both W-2 employees as well as 1099 contractors. Select Next. Using accounts in QuickBooks. Accounts are categories of income, expense, and more that you'll use to track your business. Basically, it is the buckets where accounting data is stored. Select Next. And since we're starting our QuickBooks at the beginning of January, we will select the beginning of this fiscal year, January 1st, 2013. Select Next. And these are the prescribed chart of accounts for this particular type of business. You can go in and click on additional accounts if you want. So if we wanted to accept sales discounts, we can click that on. If we wanted to do merchant account fees, we can click that. If we wanted to select business license and permits, we click that. Then if we wanted charitable contributions, we click that. And we can scroll on down the list to see which accounts that we want to select. The accounts that we have checked so far will suffice for this demonstration. So let's click Next. Congratulations. You have finished setting up your QuickBooks, and now you are ready to start recording transactions. We hit Go to Setup. QuickBooks asks the question, do you want to add payroll subscription to your file? We're going to skip this for this illustration. Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our display of the interview process for QuickBooks. This is Quentin Wiggins, CEO of EQQuickBooks.com. For more information, or go to our website and visit us at www.eqquickbooks.com. We are Houston's premier QuickBooks training consulting company. We will come out to your company and train, as well as you can come to our state-of-the-art classroom. Thank you very much.